Hello, and welcome to my channel. In one of the upcoming videos, I'm going to teach you how to introduce yourself and someone else. But before that, we should learn the personal pronouns. They are the equivalent of I, you, he, she, we, you, and they in English. So without further ado, let's get started. Je. Je suis français. Tu es américain. Il est allemand. Elle est italienne. Nous sommes anglais. Vous êtes espagnol. Ils sont mexicains. Elles sont belges. There's something you need to know about vous in French. As in English, it means two things. It can be the polite form of you, but it can also be used with a group of people. In the next video, I will tell you more about tu and vous and how to use them. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!